Have you ever wondered how your cells grow? No, silly. Our cells don't grow like plants in soil. Our cells go through a process called cell division. An average cell divides between 50 and 70 times in its lifetime before cell death occurs. Now let's go a little deeper into cell division. Why does cell division occur?
The purpose of cell division is to keep the cell from becoming too large. When a cell becomes too large, it puts more demands on its DNA. And the larger the cells, the least efficient they are in moving nutrients and waste materials across the cell membrane.
Imagine if cell division didn't occur, we would have our skin cells would eventually die and we would end up with a very thin layer of skin. So now that we know why cell division occurs, let's find out how.
Our cells do steps too?
Mitosis involves many steps.
Let's talk to expert Mackenzie Murray on cell division.
The purpose of cell division is to keep a cell from becoming too large. When a cell becomes too large, it puts more demands on its DNA. The larger the cells are, the less efficient they are in moving nutrients and waste materials across the cell membrane.
Thanks, expert Kenzie. Why cell division happens, let's find out how. Let's talk to expert Mackenzie Murray on this matter.
There are 6 steps to mitosis.
Interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase.
Thanks, Mr. Faubert. You're correct.
Mitosis. My toes?
No, mitosis is the steps of cell division. The first step of mitosis is interphase. This is where the cell grows and the DNA replicates. The next step of mitosis is prophase. This is where the genetic material in the nucleus condenses and the duplicated chromosomes become visible. The step of mitosis is metaphase. This is where the centromeres are duplicated and the chromosomes line up along the middle of the cell. The fourth stage of mitosis is anaphase. This is where the chromosomes separate and move along the spindle fibers to opposite ends of the cell. The next stage of mitosis is telophase. This is where the chromosomes begin to spread out into a tangle of chromatin. The final stage of mitosis is cytokinesis. This is the splitting of one cell into 2 daughter cells. In animal cells, the cell membrane is pinched together to create 2 new cells. In a plant cell, a new cell wall is formed between the 2 nucleuses.
You guys are almost experts on cell division. Now let's find out from expert Mackenzie about what would happen if cell division didn't exist.
As a cell increases in size, the DNA does not. So, therefore, if the cell were to grow too large, an information crisis would occur. The rate at which food and oxygen are used up depends on the cell's volume. If the cell's volume becomes too large, there are less places for the food, waste, etc. to enter or leave throughout the cell membrane.
Now you guys are experts on cell division. Thanks for watching.